Hey guys, it's Dave. Today we're going to be walking through a house that we're about halfway done with. We're at 6011 Hollyleaf Drive in Arlington, Texas. We've got the outside pretty much done. At REI, we like to do the exterior first and then kind of move to the interior. And so as we walk inside, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage. We're going to be spending about $65,000 here. Right now we're in the living room, and then over on this side we have our kitchen. In here we're going to be painting the cabinets, installing new cabinet hardware, new granite countertops, all of our appliances. We have our first bedroom right off the living room. Just a small kid's bedroom. And then we have our guest bathroom here. We already installed the new tub and did the plumbing. And then here is the master bedroom. Paint, new carpet. We'll be doing a new ceiling fan. The bathroom has some French doors to it. And here we painted the existing vanity cabinet. We're going to be doing a new sink top, mirror, new toilet. And lastly, we'll show you the backyard. Usually when we do foundation work, we pile a lot of the dirt up around the foundation and then grade it away. So you'll see a lot of this hay. But yeah, we're about 50% done here. We expect to be done in about 2 to 3 weeks. We're at 6011 Hollyleaf Drive in Arlington, Texas.